Hello, hello, and welcome back. Now, um, let's go to here. Let's put Jupyter notebook. Now, today I want us to revisit, actually revise something about what we did last lesson, because I understand my data will not be always of major use to those who are doing it for the future, seeking for the freelance or something like being employed in the company. So the data I'm providing right here is just the data that you can use for practice. But still, I have been thinking it's more important when you can have another source of data and you practice it without having relying on my data. So that's why I want to review some of the things, and one of the them is this one. When you come and open in this, let's come here data. Let's come here in everything, and we open data here. And when you get into the data, we see we have these. Last time we did this, but many of the our data was coming from, let me open it so that we can see what is going to happen. All right, yes.